Hi, I'm Mark Gaylor, Sony Digital Imaging Ambassador. I'd really like to take the opportunity to thank everybody for subscribing to my YouTube channel. It's been growing rapidly this year and I should be able to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and I'm going to commit to doing a happy dance when that happens. I'd also like to thank the people for going that extra step and hitting the join button to become a paid member of my YouTube channel. This does come with a few benefits for paid members, but most of you are probably already headed over to my website markgaylor.com and found all of my free resources there, from ebooks through to Photoshop Actions, Lightroom presets, and you got all links to all of the movies as well as on my Alpha Creative Skills YouTube channel. Now, I've been very busy this year through support, and that support via donations has given me extra time to help build the resources that can support the Alpha community. I'm up to the second edition of the A6400 book now after a firmware upgrade. I think I'm up to the third edition of the A7 III, A7 R3 ebook. These are 240 page ebooks to give comprehensive support. I've also upgraded my A9 ebook to cover that major firmware upgrade of that camera experience, and I'm committed to creating ebooks for every future Alpha camera that is released. Okay, I've also got additional support for post-production. This was a 2-hour movie I created for Lightroom, but I've also created this as an ebook as well, for people who don't want to listen to very, very long movies. I've also extended that out to catalog management and also color management to give a comprehensive support for the entire photographic workflow. Now, for those people who have still got questions that are not covered in some of my movies, just remember you can join my YouTube channel as a paid member. I do prioritize the questions in the paid membership forums. If you have joined, just head over to the community tab there. You will see posts that only paid members can see, and now there will be links to live 1-hour seminars each month. There'll be Q&A forums where I prioritize the member questions. I've recently created a Flickr account where members can upload images to get photo critique or feedback of their work. And for those people who are not prepared to take that extra step, just remember on Flickr, my Flickr Pro account, I do have albums which have Ultra HD examples captured with the various cameras and also specific lenses. So when people say how sharp is that lens, Mark, I can just direct them to an album of Ultra HD images and say, well, they're this sharp. Okay, so again, thank you, and just be prepared to watch out for that happy dance, which I'll post when I've got 100,000 viewers. Okay, I'm Mark Gaylor, Sony Digital Imaging Ambassador.